Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Today, let's dive into the enchanting world of one of my favorite subjects, home decor styles. Now, what we are going to talk about today is the coastal style versus shabby chic. We're going to talk about their growing popularity to their distinct differences. We'll explore why these two design aesthetics are really captivating homeowners worldwide. Plus, as always, I'm going to share some tips on how you can recreate these styles in your own home. So if you are ready, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. So we're going to start off the video talking about some of the trademarks of coastal decor. So coastal interiors are really characterized by their very light and airy feel, reminiscent of ocean breezes and sandy shores. The whole point of a coastal room is to make you feel like you are at the beach, you are on the coast. So coastal design is an aesthetic that can easily be elevated to fit any home style, any home space, or any room size. It often includes a color palette of sandy shades, taupe, eggshell, that whole beige family, or really soft blues. You're going to have beachy textures and materials like rattan, driftwood, or jute. But don't think coastal decor is all about little bottles filled with seashells and seashells all over the walls. I hear that all the time. You can have a coastal room while not falling into the stereotypical coastal room, if that makes sense. Say it with me. You can have a coastal room with not a seashell in sight. The whole point is to really create a serene and a tranquil atmosphere. Also, furniture in coastal spaces are usually really casual and comfortable, with a strong focus on relaxation and ease. Now let's get into some of the trademarks of shabby chic. Shabby chic interiors are all about vintage charm and feminine elegance, but you don't have to be a woman to enjoy this style or choose to decorate your home in this style. So, did you know, here's a little fun fact, shabby chic is actually not the term used anymore because a company trademarked it. Crazy, I didn't even know that you could do that. So now people say shabby elegance or cottage chic. So, just a little fun fact for you. Anyway, color palette are going to be soft pastel colors like blush pink, mint green, and pale lavender. It really sets the tone and creates a really romantic and whimsical ambiance. Also, distressed furniture and antique finds add a lot of depth and character and history to the space, while floral prints and delicate fabrics really enhance the aesthetic, which some people say feminine aesthetic, but I am all for one and one for all. So if you are a man that likes this style, by all means go for it. Excuse my cat in the background. He's telling you to go for it as well. So now that we've really explored the differences between coastal and shabby chic or cottage chic decor, let's talk about how you can recreate these styles in your own home. Whether you want to go for your full home or just a couple of rooms, we are going to share some tips and tricks with you to really help you get the job done. For coastal decor, start by incorporating a really soothing color palette inspired by the sea and the sky. So you're going to opt for your pastel, soft blues in different hues. You're going to look for your really soft turquoises, your beiges, anything that really brings the sky into your home or the touch of the sea into your home, or anything that makes you feel like you're on a beach. Choose really light and airy fabrics like linen and cotton for curtains and your upholstery. Add touches of natural elements such as seashells, if you dare, driftwood, and woven baskets to really bring the beach indoors. For shabby chic decor, focus on creating a soft and romantic atmosphere. Choose pastel hues for walls and furnishings. I know in coastal you're really going to be focusing on those soft blues and beiges and that color palette, but for cottage chic, you can really do anything pastel, whether you want to go a soft blue, a soft pink, soft yellow, soft greens. All of that will work in this style. Also look for vintage inspired furniture with distressed finishes. You can either buy something new and distress it yourself with sandpaper, or a cheaper alternative would be to really search your local garage sales and estate sales. See what some of your neighbors are throwing out. And maybe if it's an old chair on the side of the road, just take it home and clean it really well and reupholster it. And I promise you, it's going to give you the look that you are after. Also, don't forget to check different stores like your thrift stores, your Goodwills, your Salvation Armies. Some of the best pieces of furniture can be found there, and you can get it for super cheap. Incorporate floral prints and really delicate fabrics like lace and chiffon for a touch of femininity if you are a feminine person doing this decor. If you're masculine, still go for that and just, I guess, call it a touch of masculinity. Don't forget to add vintage accessories like chandeliers, mirrors, and of course picture frames. The more ornate the better, and it just really helps to complete the look. So whether you are dreaming of coastal breezes or quaint vintage charm, there is a home decor style for every taste and every preference. By understanding the key characteristics of coastal and shabby chic, or cottage chic, or shabby elegance decor, and really incorporating them thoughtfully into your own space, you can create a home that truly reflects your personality and your lifestyle. Okay, so now I need you to do something for me. Let me know down in the comment section, are either one of these styles one that you would choose for your home? Or here's a fun fact, would you choose it for a vacation home? I think that's a really interesting question. A lot of people won't commit to it in their primary home, but they tend to play a little bit more or be a little more open for things in a secondary home. Have you tried one of these styles? What has been your experience? Let me know down below. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.